All right, let's dive into a tool that promises to make your AI coding assistant smarter, way faster, and honestly, a whole lot cheaper. If you've ever, and I mean ever, found yourself fighting with your AI instead of actually coding with it, well, you are definitely in the right place.
I mean, this slide just gets right to the heart of it, doesn't it? You know the feeling. You're deep in a coding session, you're in the zone, and your AI assistant in Cursor or Copilot or whatever, it just isn't getting it. It feels like it's stuck in this dumb loop, completely missing the point of what you're trying to solve. So what do? You end up doing it all manually, your flow is shattered, and it is just a frustratingly common experience for developers right now.
And this right here perfectly illustrates the core problem. On the left, you've got that typical AI agent workflow. It's just noisy. It floods the AI with so much useless information about its own internal tools that your actual question gets totally lost. But then, look at the right. That's a more surgical approach, giving the AI only the clean, focused code it needs to actually help. The difference in the quality of the answer you get back, it's night and day.
So, let's really break down these pain points. Why does your super advanced, supposedly brilliant AI so often feel, well, kind of dumb? Turns out, it's usually not even the AI's fault. It is a context problem, a garbage in, garbage out situation.
Okay, so here are the three big culprits. First, these agentic IDEs are just plain wasteful. They throw so much noise and junk at the AI that, and I love how the source material puts this, the AI has ADHD, and it just completely zones out. Second, the manual alternative of copying and pasting code from a dozen different files, it's a total flow killer. It pulls you right out of your creative space. And third, it gets expensive. You're burning through cash using top-tier models for simple stuff, all because the AI is choking on bad context.
So, what's the answer? Well, it's not throwing another AI agent at the problem. It's about a smarter workflow, one that puts you, the developer, back in the driver's seat. So let's talk about AI code prep, or as you'll see it, AICP. So what exactly is AICP? Think of it as a standalone utility. It runs on any operating system, and it's built for one thing, giving you precise, surgical control over the context you send to an AI. It's basically the missing link that makes your entire AI workflow smarter and way, way more efficient. And this is the key philosophy behind AICP. It is not here to replace your existing tools, not at all. It's that specialized tool you pull out of the toolbox when your main AI agent is just letting you down. You spot the problem, you pop open AICP, you build the perfect context in seconds, and then you can use any AI you want, even a free web chat, to get a much, much better answer.
Okay, so that all sounds good in theory, but how does it actually work in practice? The whole thing is designed to be completely frictionless, getting you from a complex project to a perfectly formed prompt in just a few seconds.
So check this out. You launch it instantly, either from your terminal or just with a right click on a folder. It then intelligently pre-selects what it thinks are the most relevant files for you, which is already a huge time saver. You can then quickly fine-tune that selection, add your question, and with a single click, boom, the entire perfectly formatted context is on your clipboard. From there, you just paste it into whatever AI you want and get a fantastic answer. It really is that simple.
But AICP isn't just an app. When you go pro, you're getting a complete toolkit that's designed to supercharge your AI coding and, get this, actively save you money while you do it.
So here's what's in the box with the Pro Toolkit. You get the Pro version of the app, naturally, with lifetime updates. You also get this guide called Vibe Coding on a Budget, which is just packed with clever, cost-saving tips. And this is a really cool bonus. You get lifetime access to a free API router. This lets you use powerful models like GPT 4.1 to power your command line agents without needing your own expensive API key. Pretty sweet.
Now, the Pro version unlocks some seriously powerful features. You get a file preview panel, so you can see your code without constantly jumping between windows. You also get dual prompt placement, and this is a game changer. It lets you put your question both before and after the code context. Why? Well, some AIs pay more attention to the beginning of a prompt, and others focus on the end. This simple trick massively improves the AI's focus. And for the power users out there, there's a full command line interface that lets you generate context instantly without even opening the app. It's perfect for scripting and automation. But the vision for this tool doesn't stop there. The creator is already working on a brand new feature for the Pro version that takes this whole idea of smart AI usage to a completely different level.
And it all starts with this one question. When you're facing a really tough, complex coding challenge, is asking a single AI, even a great one like GPT-4, really the best way to solve it?
So on the left, you've got the single model problem. You ask one AI and you might get a decent answer, or you might get a totally wrong one because of that model's specific blind spots. But look at the right. The multi-model solution is like having a whole team of specialized AI experts working on your problem. You ask multiple AIs the same question, and each one brings its own unique perspective to the table.
And here's where it gets really cool. The result? You can then have another AI analyze all of those different answers and synthesize them into a single superior solution that combines the best insights from every model. It's brilliant. This is the core idea behind Flow Studio, a powerful new workflow builder coming soon to Pro that's going to let you build your own custom multi-model problem-solving pipelines.
So the takeaway here is pretty simple. It's time to take back control of your AI workflow. Instead of getting frustrated and fighting with your tools, you can give your AI the perfect surgical context it needs to give you the best possible results. The only real question left is, are you ready to stop fighting your AI and start vibe coding smarter?